Hello everyone, welcome back. This is another video about Google Sheets from my channel, which is about using macros and add-on features. If you haven't watched my other videos about Google Sheets, please find the playlist on my channel, Data Management in Google Sheets, or by clicking the card in the upper right hand corner of your screen. This video helps you to understand when and how you can use those functions to analyze your data. How macros help you? It's time saver and also reducing error when you replicating your functions and one data to another data. Macros are an incredible time saver, particularly when you need to automate repetitive work. Let's say we had imported a larger spreadsheet with many sheets in it, each of which had a similar data structure. So rather than having to go through and format each sheet in the same way, you can actually record those formatting actions once with a macro and then play that back on different sheets within your spreadsheet. This not only saves you time, it also prevents manual errors you might have made in replicating that process on different sheets. I will use a small data sheet to show macros record here. I have changed this data sheet to another style and recorded the macros. As you can see here, change the color and heat maps and other styles. Now let's start. To import macros into this data sheet, first I make duplicate data sheet. Then go to Extension tab, where you get the macros and select it. You can see here there are different options for macros such as record, manage, import, and previous you have created macros. I select my macros too, which I recorded before. Let's see. The macros script runs and replicate the records did work. Next is add-on feature. How add-on feature help you? The add-on feature will help you optimize your data sheet by using different third-party tools. To import add-on, go to Extension tab, select add-on, and you will see a bunch of third-party tools which you can use. There are many types of third-party tools you can use here as you need it. Let's use Google Analytics. Install it. It will appear in our add-on features. Okay, now you can see the Google Analytics appears on the extension tab, and you can use it as you need it.